The PNI House 1080p NVR can be controlled from mobile devices via the XMI-compatible Android and iOS app and from the PC via general CMS software. The installation file of the CMS can be found on the CD included in the package, or you can download it from our website, the download section. With the PNI House 1080p NVR, you can record and playback images from up to 16 1080p video surveillance cameras or 8 1080p video cameras. Note, this device is not compatible with analog cameras. You can connect multiple monitor types. The device is equipped with HDMI and VGA output. The video recording stored on the HDD installed in the NVR can be downloaded locally to a USB stick via the product interface USB 2.0 or USB 3.0 or remotely via the internet directly to a PC. NVR House 960p can be accessed via the internet thanks to the RJ45 LAN port. With the evolution of surveillance systems, HDD manufacturers have created dedicated solutions for them. Thus, for a maximum performance and trouble-free operations of PNI surveillance systems, we recommend using only dedicated HDDs for CCTV. We remind you of Western Digital Purple, RE and SE models with 24/7 reliability, durability and quality.